Hello everybody, my name is Shubhang, Chemistry Master Teacher at Vedantu. Today we are going to talk about KVPY 2018 SA, that's 11th Standard, Part 2, Subject Chemistry, and question number 75. The question talks about F-BRF bond angle in BRF5 molecule and Cl-PCl bond angle in PCl5 molecule. And we have to then compare whether they are identical or no. So let's study these molecules one by one. So first let's talk about BrF5. BrF5 का Lewis dot structure will look like this. We'll have 5 fluorines single bondedly attached, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single bondedly attached to bromine, and 1 lone pair because bromine has 7 outer electrons. Therefore, it is making 6 sigma bonds and has 1 lone pair, 5 sigma bonds and has 1 lone pair, so total is 6. Therefore, the hybridization here will come out to be sp3d2. sp3d2 geometry is octahedral in nature, right? And the shape we will understand when we plug in the sigma bonds and the lone pair. So I have put in all the fluorines here. In an octahedral geometry, all 6 positions are identical. So we can place the lone pair anywhere and the bond pairs anywhere. Now, as you can see guys here, you have 4 fluorines in the horizontal plane. Above them is 1 fluorine, below them is 1 lone pair. Now, because lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than bond pair repulsion, these bonds, these BRF equatorial bonds will be pushed upwards. Okay, when the BRF equatorial bonds are pushed upwards, we see that the BRF-BR angle, the BRF-BR angle in equatorial bond comes out to be roughly 89.5 degrees. And when we talk about the vertical F, that is BRF, and the horizontal F, so let's call this axial BR and this equatorial BR, we notice that the bond angles are roughly 84.8 degrees. Therefore, as you can see, these fluorines will go, earlier they were horizontal, but due to lone pair, they will definitely go up. When they go up, the equatorial angle, that is this, and the axial equatorial angle, that is this, is different. So all the angles in BrF5 are different. Next, PCl5, our pet molecule. We know everything about PCl5, correct? So PCl5 structure comes out to be something like this. There are 5 sigma bonds, therefore the hybridization is sp3d. The geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, right? And therefore, as you can see, there are 2 kind of bonds here, axial as well as equatorial. So ClPCl equatorial, that is the horizontal plane, the bond angle is 120 degree. And if we talk about ClPCl, where one Cl is axial and the other is equatorial, then the bond angle is 90 degree. So in BrF5 also all the bond angles are different. In PCl5 also all the bond angles are different. And therefore our answer is D, that bond angles are non-identical in BrF5 as well as PCl5. Thank you so much for joining us guys, and stay tuned for our next question.